Here I have VIVO V23 and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly you should open settings. You should open wherever screen you want to take screenshot of, could be home screen for me, and then press combination of keys, power key plus volume down like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and let's get it. So one last time, volume down, power key, and we got these screenshots. You can find them in gallery then, in the special album called screenshots. And from here you can share, edit, delete your screenshots, and also perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.